Come to stand on your mat in mountain pose and take a moment to check in. Feel the four corners of your feet, the space beneath the big toe, the space beneath the little toe, and the 2 points at the back of the heel. Allow the weight to spread evenly across this surface. And then bring awareness to your center. Gently draw the pelvic floor inward and upward, the navel inward and upward, a light engagement through the lower bandhas, just enough to feel a sense of support from within. Let the shoulders roll back and down, the chest softly open, rising through your crown as you ground down through your feet. Bringing your hands to prayer position, thumbs resting lightly on the front of the chest, and then begin to take the weight into your left foot. You can keep the toes of the right foot on the floor, or you could bring the sole of the foot to the inside of the shin, or take it higher to the inner thigh. Wherever you are, allow it to feel steady and supported. Let the standing leg be strong but not rigid, a subtle softness through the knee. Bring everything back into the midline and notice if there's any gripping. See if you can soften around that effort, finding that balance between softness and strength. And now on your next inhale, reach up through your fingertips, standing as tall as you can as a tree. As you ground down through that supporting foot, press the sole of the foot into the inner thigh and gently press the thigh back into the foot. Feel that connection, a steady, balanced exchange. Let the spine grow tall. Let the breath move easily. And if you want to explore your balance, you might begin to open the arms out, spreading your branches wide. Allow the gaze to settle on a steady point in front of you to help you with your balance. Take a few breaths here. And then gently bring your palms back to touch, thumbs to the heart center. Returning to the midline, releasing the foot back down on the mat and pausing for a moment here. Just noticing the difference between the two sides. And then when you're ready, take it over to the other side.